Hi, I'm Reinaldo and welcome to Reypurposed. Thank you for watching. This is my YouTube channel where I take you through my furniture making process and show you that any old piece of furniture can also be a custom piece of art. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Enjoy. What do you think about when you think about coasters? You probably think about something that's square, a four set, probably felt. You might think that it's about cork or something, but would you think about a puzzle? Uh, a set of four coasters that are actually a puzzle and has epoxy and splatter paint? Well, that is what these are here. This is a set of four coasters that I made for a couple of friends who moved out of the city. I sell coasters on Etsy as well, and they picked this set on Etsy. When I make the coasters, I make sure that there's two colors. I like to do two colors so that some of them are the same color. Always have one raw wood so you know where this stuff came from, and then that second color. But I did something extra special for this set. This is for Marlie and Bobby. And instead of just having a regular set of coasters and then the underside will be plain, as you can see here, the underside is wood burn. And this has Bobby's name, right? And that means that on this side is Marley's. So, more than just a regular set of coasters. There's coasters, they're a puzzle, and it's also like wood burn art on the underside. And I always have to ask when people order coasters, what are the colors you want? So two colors for like the actual top side, but then like three splatter colors. And Marley wanted red, green, and blue. So as you can see, there's red, green, and blue here, but there's also red, green, and blue there too. You would think a puzzle with just four pieces would be extremely easy to put together or to construct, but it isn't. Every single time I make these puzzles, I have to always refer back to my little graph that I make of how I'm going to lay out this puzzle. And then when I make the puzzle, I always forget how to put it together. I don't know how this happens, but these little trapezoid shapes aren't as easy to put back together, which is cool because then it makes it a fun puzzle and then not just a puzzle, it's also a coaster. But I say all that to say that I like that it's simple and complex at the same time, and art and coasters and a puzzle all at the same time. I think that's pretty cool. It makes it way more than just a one function piece. It's definitely a statement piece that someone will have on their coffee table.
I'm an androgynous being, one half indigenous, two spirit, third eye seeing. Four messages from ancestors receiving. 5 points to a pentagon that I don't believe in. 6-figure checks, never really attainable when this capitalistic system isn't sustainable. Wanna argue with me? Just look at the pyramids. You claim it was built by aliens, but please stop this conspiracy. 7 wonders of the world like Machu Picchu, built by Tawantinsuyu, not R2D2. You invalidate what our civilizations built. You speak.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you and keep watching. Back in the before times when we used to be able to gather and host events, I would host an event with lots of artists and vendors and performers. And both Bobby and Marley were regular performers at that show. I'm really happy I get to still feature some of Bobby's music in these videos. And I'm really, really happy that both Bobby and Marley get to have some coasters in their new place in Texas from me that are personalized just for them.
5 points to a pentagon that I don't believe in. 6-figure checks, never really attainable when this capitalistic system isn't sustainable. Wanna argue with me? Just look at the pyramids. You claim it was built by aliens, but please stop this conspiracy. 7 wonders of the world like Machu Picchu, built by Tawantinsuyu, not R2D2. You invalidate what our civilization's built. You speak a racist language and all I hear is white guilt. Entitlement like stolen sage, colonized like you're living in a golden age. Stolen artifacts taken from my culture's wealth, just to be put shown on a museum shelf. Peruvians and Egyptians have a lot in common, paying homage to ancestors so they call us demonic. Wrapping the dead like mummies, we call it a ritual. Prayer and meditation becoming habitual. Europeans are the ones who invented cannibalism, but they're still trying to push the agenda. We got savages in us, deemed not worthy, so we must resist. Cause our culture, our people will always exist. European